Hello viewers, welcome to my second video where I'm going to show you how to install Maproom 65. So Maproom 65 is a plugin that we will use to generate the urban model or the urban fabric model in 3ds Max from the data that we have already entered in OpenStreetMaps from the first video. So in order to install Maproom 65 or retrieve the installation file, you just go to your preferred search engine. I'll just run you through the process quickly. And you search for Maproom 3ds Max. The first result, the website by Class Nienhuis, that is the correct one. So you can go to the website, and as you can see, it's open the same web page as I had opened before. And you can retrieve the installation file from here. So I have already got the installation file in my desktop, so we're going to just use that. First thing to make sure is you have 3ds Max open. Then you use the installation file. Just click on it and drag it, bring it to the 3ds Max interface, and it will bring up this window where you click on install script and Maproom 65 will be installed in your 3ds Max as a plugin. So you can see once the installation is finished and this message window appears, it tells you here what to do in order to be able to use Maproom properly. So the instructions are pretty precise. Once it's installed, just to set it up, you go to the menu bar, select customize user interface, and in the toolbar category you select class tools and drag the icon to the toolbar so you're able to use it. And I'm going to quickly take you through that as well. So you click on OK. We close this installation window. We don't need it anymore. So you go to customize user interface. And you select toolbars. And in the categories, just scroll down and select class tools because that's where the plugin is from. So this here, it's in alphabetical order. There you go. Class tools, you select that and it shows Maproom over here. So you just click and drag and place it in an empty space on the toolbar. So Maproom 65 looks like it's ready to use. You click on the Maproom 65 icon and just give it a few seconds for it to load. So you can see Maproom 65 is loading. And Maproom 65 can now be used to generate urban fabric form in 3ds Max from the information that we have already entered in OpenStreetMaps.